Peace of mind and body. 4. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims in all aspects of their life to always set realistic expectations, as setting unrealistic expectations always leads to disappointment, sadness, grief and depression, which are the ingredients for impatience and the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. This only leads to further trouble in both worlds. For example, Muslims should reject the fantasy created by Bollywood by believing their marriage will be like a fairy tale. This is a ridiculous and unrealistic expectation which will only lead to disappointment. Whereas, if one understands that marriage has difficulties but is willing to work through them, then they are more likely to achieve happiness and peace of mind. In addition, a Muslim should set realistic expectations according to their own situation and life meaning. They should not observe others and set their expectations according to their standards. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2513. In reality, a true Muslim will not set expectations in respect to people, as they would only rely and trust in Allah, the Exalted. But this is a high and rare status to achieve. Therefore, if a Muslim must set expectations in respect to people, they should make them realistic, otherwise they will only lead to disappointment, grief and depression.